guys, it's your boy Clay G with the all new Finish Him package, man. We got some fireworks TNT type of thing, guys. First up is the Finish Him watch. We got much more coming up. But now there's more, guys. We've got the Tadao coming up, man. This is a big banger on the list at the fireworks shops, guys. As my boy Brad says, let's go. One right here is a special one, guys. We call this the high falutin. You don't want to miss this one. We got another big one coming up next. Let's get it. This baby right here is known as the Western Green Mama, the finale, the whatchamacallit, the Western Green Mama. Last time I heard about a mama was a Kobe Bryant back in the day, right? So let's sit back and close this thing out because this is going to be spectacular. It's your boy Clay G. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Get back, Flash. Stay back. It's hot. It's hot.